Now the screen visible amma to all? Screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And we already discussed, I told to do in a 4.1 exercise in rough book. Have you done the 4.1 exercise?
Completed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ma, okay. Mute. Karthik and Vinita, mute. Karthik and Vinita. Okay. I will show that sums, whether the given quadratic equation, it is a quadratic equation or not, that we want to know. That's why we'll go that sum. 4.1 exercise. I told word problems also how to convert into quadratic equation. That also I discussed 2 examples. Somasekara, good boy. You'll say good boy only. You'll not say any other thing. Experiment king. The king experiment. Okay. This is a 4.1 exercise. Ma. First one is a. Is it a quadratic
polynomial. Quadratic polynomial.
Quadratic equation or not?
Quadratic equation.
Tell me the standard form. Answer. Tell me.
X square plus 7 is equal to 0.
Harichandana, mute. Kavya and Harichandana, mute.
Telling answers, sir.
Telling answers, one student is telling Nama. Telling answers, you are not in one room. I told you sit in a separate room. Who are shouting in that room, don't sit. You sit in a separate room and give the answers. Somebody running and shouting, you are giving the answers means. Tell me the first answer. Tell me. What is the quadratic equation? Quadratic equation, first one. Tell me first equation. Oh, mute will make mute. All phones are mute only. Who is that? But tell me anyone. The first one answer. Who will say? Kavya and Harchandana, tell them. Kavya and Harchandana.
X square plus 7 is equals to 0. Yes, sir.
X square plus 7 equal to 0.
7 is equals to 0.
Okay. So it is a quadratic equation only. Degree 2. So it is a quadratic equation. Yes. Now, second bit, Amma. Can anyone tell second bit?
X square minus
X square
4x
plus 6 is equals to 0.
Karthik telling wait. Karthik and Vinita, they are telling wait. Others. Karthik and Vinita. Tell me.
X square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0.
X square minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. I think it is wrong. I think. Correct or not? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
X square minus 4x. Is it correct or not, Amma? X square minus 2x minus 6 plus 2x. Correct only. X square minus 4x to 0. It is a quadratic equation only. Next, third one, Amma. Tell me third one. One student only.
3x
Minus 3x plus 1.
Minus
3x.
It is not a quadratic equation.
Linear equation.
It is a linear equation. 3x. It is a linear equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Good. Fourth one. Tell me the fourth answer. Funny one.
X square minus 10x minus 3.
X square minus 10x minus 3. Correct only, Amma? Anyone? X square minus.
Yes, sir.
Yes. It is a quadratic equation only. Now fifth bit, Amma. Tell me the fifth bit. Fifth bit.
X square minus 11x plus 8.
X square minus 11x plus 8. Is it okay, Amma? Any other?
Yes, sir. Correct only, sir.
Okay, sixth one. Tell me sixth one.
7x minus 3.
No cube there, na by here. A cube not there, na. It is not a quadratic polynomial, linear polynomial. 7x minus 3 means it is a linear polynomial. Good. Seventh answer, Amma. Seventh answer. Tell me.
Minus x cube plus 6x square plus 14x plus 8.
So it is a cubic polynomial. It is also not a equation. And now, eighth answer now.
2x square minus 13x plus 9.
2x square minus 13x plus 9 equal to 0. You have to say equal to 0. Forgetting, you are telling polynomial. Tell me the equation I said. Now you can check the answer somehow. We'll go to answers page. Your answer page is there. We'll go to that. See, to check whether the following equation is quadratic or not. See, the first bit you told x square plus 7 equal to 0. This is told, yes, it is in the form of ax square plus b equal to 0. Hence, the given equation is a quadratic equation. Ma, mute. Now you need to mute. Mute all. Don't open. You observe the screen. Screen is visible, na? The screen is visible, ama nata? Tell me.
Sir.
Okay. Now, second bit, x square minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. Yes, it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Hence, it is a quadratic equation. Good. You are told. Next, Mohan, stop the video, Mohan. And next one is 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Ma. It is a linear equation. Hence, it is not a quadratic equation. Degree 1 linear equation. So, it is not a quadratic equation. Fourth one, Shrestha again went and again admitting where they went, I don't know. Okay, now the multiplying x square minus 10x minus 3 equal to 0. It is also in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation, good. It is a quadratic equation, good only. Fifth answer, x square minus 11x plus 8 equal to 0, it told. Okay, it is also a quadratic equation. Array. Mahit, late joining.
Sir, current came just now, sir. Current came just now, sir.
Who is this Somasekara? My mobile came full blank. Can I rejoin? Okay, join, no problem. You can rejoin. Any problems? You can rejoin, no problem. Okay, now x square minus 11x plus 8 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation only. And now sixth one, Sama. 7x minus 3, it is not a quadratic equation, it is a linear equation. Yes, it is not a quadratic equation. Good. You told the correct answers, I think. And now this is a sum, a 7 sum. X cube minus 14x minus 6x square minus 8 equals, it is a cubic polynomial, degree 3. That's why it is not a quadratic equation. It is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Hence, it is not a quadratic equation. Good. And now the last one is the last one, 2x square minus 13x plus 9 equal to 0. Yes, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. So first exercise 4.1 first sum completed. I think you did. Good. Almost all you did. Now we'll go for second bit, Amma. See the word problems. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. Means just you have to write a quadratic equation only. The first bit I am reading the question. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is in meters is one more than the twice its breadth. The length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. We need to find length and breadth of the flat. So we need to find length and breadth means here. If it is a linear equation sum, we can suppose length x, breadth y. But it is a quadratic equation. But in the exam, sir, what you have to do means, you can do by any way. You can do by linear equation form or you can do by quadratic formula also, no problem. Quadratic equation method also, nobody will ask. Just you have to find. That's why here not kept heading. See, suppose if we kept like this, represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation and find out means, we have to do by quadratic equation only. Like this heading given means. But in the exam, they will not give like that heading. Just find the length and breadth of the plot, they will say. So you can do by linear equation or you can do by quadratic equation also. Now, length and breadth of the plot. Let here breadth of the plot be x meters. Let breadth of the plot be x meters. Then whatever the length means, condition given, length is one more than twice its breadth. Twice means 2 times, Amma. Twice its breadth means 2 times. 2x and 1 more than
2x plus 1.
2x plus 1. Very good. 2x plus 1. Good. So length of the plat 2x plus 1 meters. Let the breadth of the plat be x meters. Then length of the plat be 2x plus 1 meters. Then area is given, amma. Area of rectangle means 528 meters square. That means area of rectangle is L into B. So length 2x plus 1 of breadth x. X of 2x plus 1 is equal to 528. This is the representation of quadratic equation. Just represent means 1 mark they can ask, represent 2 marks they can ask. Up to standard form of a quadratic equation you have to do. Now we can go for answer. Explanation on. I can share the answer screen. See here. CMA. Solution 2. First bit. Let the breadth of the plat be x meters. Hence, the length of the plat is 2x plus 1. Twice its breadth and 1 more than. Means twice means 2 times. 2x plus 1 more than means 2x plus 1 meters. Now area of rectangle equal to L into B. So area 528 according to problem equal to L into B. 2x plus 1 into x. If we multiply 2x square plus x, so transpose 528 to RHS, then 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. This is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Up to here you have to do. Represent the given situation in the form of a quadratic equation means up to here you have to write. Up to here 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. You don't need to solve. Represent the situation in the quadratic equation form means just you have to write. Solvation means I will tell the method. Still I will not explain the methods. It's up to how to represent the given information in the form of a quadratic equation. Understand, Amma? Is it okay? First one, first bit.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good.
Sir.
We'll go to second question. Already questions here on wait. Already here questions are there. Okay. Ma, see, second bit. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 36. We need to find the integers. The product of two consecutive positive integers. Consecutive positive integers means, can anyone explain what is meant by consecutive positive integers? Yes, tell me.
X and X plus 1.
X and
X plus 1.
X and X plus 1. Good, Rahul, good. X and X plus 1 consecutive means side by side. If I take 12, my consecutive positive integer is 13. Means 12 plus 1, 13. So if I suppose let one consecutive positive integer be X, the next consecutive positive integer is X plus 1. Good. Now the product means X of X plus 1. One is X, another one is X plus 1. X of X plus 1 is equal to, according to textbook, it equal to 306. X of X plus 1 equal to 306. If you simplify, you will get the equation. Just you'll go to answer. See here. See, let the consecutive integer be X and consecutive integers, two consecutive integers be X and X plus 1. Okay. It is given that their product is 306. Yes, according to some, the product is 306. Then X of X plus 1, X of X plus 1 is equal to 306. X of X plus 1 means you have to multiply X into X, X square plus X into 1, 1X. Now transpose this 306 to LHS. Now it is in RHS. If you transpose, it becomes to LHS means negative sign. So my equation is X square plus X minus 306 equal to 0. This is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Up to here you have tried. He may ask for 1 mark or he may ask for 2 marks. Represent means you no need to solve. Find it means we have to solve. Okay, understand? Okay, now my second bit. Can I go to third sum? Can I go to third one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see. Now third bit, third question. Rohan's mother is 26 years. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Means what, Amma? Can anyone understand the meaning?
Rohan is equal to X.
Let Rohan say is equal to X.
And his mother is equal to X plus 26.
Very good, Nitish. Very good, Nitish. His mother age is equal to X plus 26. Good. Now see. Now Rohan's mother is 26 older than him. The product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 3 years from now means condition. Remember, 3 years from now means after 3 years. After 3 years, both ages will increase. Rohan's age will increase. His mother age also will increase. Now, who would like to find Rohan's present age? Let the Rohan's present age be X years. If you suppose let the Rohan's present age be X years, then his mother's present age is 26 plus X or X plus 26. No problem. Positive, anything you can write. 26 plus X or X plus 26, same only. 3 years from now means after 3 years, Rohan's age equal to X plus 3. His mother's age equal to what, Amma? His mother's age after 3 years. Tell me, Rahul.
Plus 26.
X plus? Loudly.
26. 3 X plus 26.
26 not X plus 26 present age. After 3 years. After 3 years.
20.
Who will say? After 3 years, Rohan's mother age is how much? Rohan's age is X plus 3. His mother's age is what? After 3 years. Anyone? My Irtika? You know Irtika? Irtika? My voice is audible, Irtika? Is it audible to you? Rohan's mother age after 3 years. Mute who? Something. Now, no one can say no one. Is it audible my voice to anyone? Okay. Now, after 3 years, Rohan's mother age is X plus 26 plus 3. X plus 29. I think signal is there. Is it audible, Akifa? Akifa?
Yes, sir.
Okay. X plus 29. 26 plus 3, 29, Amma. 26 plus 3, 29. Rohan's mother age after 3 years is X plus 29. Now, product of their ages. The third condition. Product of their ages means X plus 29 of X plus 3. X plus 29 of X plus 3 equal to 360. That you have to simplify. You would like to find the present age of Rohan's. So we will go for answer screen C. Let Rohan's age be X means present age, Amma. Here the condition is present age. Manoj, the class is going to end. You are joining now. Okay. Now, hence his mother age is X plus 26. 3 years hence. 3 years hence means after 3 years, Rohan's age is X plus 3. Mother's age is X plus 26 plus 3. X plus 29. It is given that the product of their ages after 3 years is 360. Condition given. It equal to 360. Ma. 10 minutes time. Somebody. Okay, they said, okay. Now, it is given that the product of their ages after 3 years is 360. So, X plus 29. Supriya went and joined. Breakfast, completing breakfast and came, I think. X plus 3 of X plus 29 equal to 360. Multiply, Amma. Multiply. X of X plus 29, 3 of X plus 29, X square plus 3X plus 29 3s are 87X. So, X square 29 into 3, 3x, 29x. 3x plus 29x means, 3x plus 29x means 32x, 29 3s are 87. So if you transpose 360 to LHS, plus 87 minus 360 is minus 273. Hence, my standard form of quadratic equation is x square plus 32x plus minus 273. Fourth bit, Amma. We have less than 9 minutes time, Amma. Fourth bit. Less than 9 minutes time. Time is going to be end. I can explain the fourth bit. Important, Amma. This time and distance. Speed sums will come in the exam. Distance speed sums will come in the exam. See, I'm reading the question. See, a train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8
Sir?
kilometers per hour, yes, Amma. Who?
Sir,
Yes.
Mohan sir. Sir, in this phone charging is not there. I am joining with another phone, sir.
Okay, join. 8 minutes time by. Okay, join. Okay, I'll allow join.
Okay, sir.
A train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. Means if you find, we need to find the speed of the train. Let the speed of the train be x kilometers per hour. We can suppose in the first case, in case 1, let the speed of the train be x kilometers per hour. Distance is 480 kilometers. According to that, the time formula distance by speed, amma, 480 by x. That is the first case. Venkatesh, good boy. Okay, 480 by x. And then if second case, if the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less means you have to minus x minus 8. Second case speed is less 8 kilometers per hour less. That means x minus 8. Now this time you have to find. The time is again distance by speed 480 by x minus 8. Hence, in second case and first case, in second case it took more time, amma. Speed decreased, automatically time will increase. That is the condition. If speed decreased, will take more time. How much difference? The difference is 3 hours more. That's why the difference means first time. Second time is 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equal to 3 hours. Is equal to 3 hours. Most important, amma. Always is the most important. Understand this. 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equal to 3 hours, amma. Is it okay? Understand?
Sir.
Okay,
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Answer how to get a quadratic equation. See, important sum, amma, for word problems, speed and time. Let the speed of the train be x kilometers per hour. That is the first case. Time taken to travel 480 kilometers means distance by speed 480 by x hours. Next, in second condition, means second case I told, let the speed of the train be x minus 8 kilometers per hour. It is also given that the train will take 3 hours to cover the same distance. 3 hours more. 3 hours more to cover the same distance. That means he added plus 3, amma. I told difference is 3. He wrote in this way. For this timing, for first hour timings, he added 3. We can take in that also. In that way also can do it. And he told equal to distance, speed into time. So he can do x minus 8 of 480 by x plus 3 equal to 480. We can do in that way also. But I did in both cases, I find time. Which one easy that you do? I find time in both cases. First case, 480 by x time. In second case, 480 by x minus 8 time. But in second case only got 3 hours more. That's why second case minus first case equal to 3 hours. If you simplify that, or if you simplify this, you'll get same answers only, same equation only, you'll get it. That is x square minus 8x minus 1280 equal to 0. Understand, amma? Is it okay? Fourth bit. Ma, fourth bit, Akifa?
Yes,
Understand?
sir. Yes, sir.
Simplification, I think both will come. Okay.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
get x square minus 8x minus 1280. Can anyone try the simplification number now and tell me the answer you got? That same answer or not? 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x equal to 3 hours. You simplify it, you have to get this equation only. You have to get this equation only. Anyone do it? And tell me. Okay. Solve it, anyone, and tell me 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equal to 3 years. Roughly solve, you have to get this equation. Whether you are getting this equation or not, I want to check. X square minus 8x minus 1280.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, once you tell, sir, not understood. Not, sir, once you tell, sir, again.
Okay. See, let the speed of the train be x kilometers per hour. We first case, we suppose the speed is x kilometers. In second case, in first case, the time is distance by speed. So time taken to travel the train is distance by speed means 480 by x. That's the first case timings. And in second case, let the speed of the train be 8 kilometers less. Less means minus x minus 8. Speed is x minus 8. Then in second case, the time is distance by speed 480 by x minus 8. Now in second case, she take more time. Why it take more time means speed is less. Less speed means generally it take more time, Amma. Is it understand that point? Kavya?
Yes, sir.
If you're going less speed means you have to get more time. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Only. That's why 480 by x minus 8. In second case, it took more time. That's why second case timing 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x. These two timings difference is 3 hours. 3 hours. Difference is 3 hours. My equation is 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equal to 3 hours. Solve that equation by LCM. Doing LCM and do solvation. You do LCM and solve. Roughly you do. If anyone can do, they'll tell the answer. You do roughly. 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x equal to 3 hours. LCM x of x minus 8. And do it LCM, you'll get the quadratic equation. You should get this answer. If anyone complete, tell me the answer. Fastly. We have 2 minutes time only. Anyone did it? Ma, Irtika did it? Irtika is there? Irtika or Nitish or Santosh, anyone? Litish ready? Salvation, LCM salvation, you have to tell the quadratic, you should get this answer. This is another method. I told one method that salvation should come. Same answer, that's why. 1 hour time only, 1 hour time. Sorry, 1 minute. 1 minute time. Anyone? Hey, Somasekara. You are there, Somasekara?
Sir.
Tell me the answer fast.
Yes, sir.
Do it and fast. Let's do it 1 minute. You have to get this equation. X square minus 8x minus 12. You have to get fast. Automatically the class is going to end up. Homework. I will tell. Homework. You roughly do these two sums. Yeah, fair one. Right. Starting the complete class. Still somebody are doing last exercise. Rahul told third chapter last exercise. You completed. Graph also completed. Tomorrow I will tell what you have tried. The introduction part in quadratic equations. You completed up to third chapter. Graph also no pending. Class are completed. Emma, anyone? Time is going to end.